In this video, we are going to see how to recover the lost access of Roblox Authenticator. So for this, first step, use a recovery code. When you enable a Roblox Authenticator verification, Roblox provide a recovery code. You can use that code to log in. If you're not having the recovery code means you need to click the use another verification method. Click the option another verification method and in this you have seen backup codes are there. Click the backup code option. Click it. Once you clicking after you need to enter the backup code 9-digit code. So if you have them, use one of the backup code and verification to log in. Enter the backup code. While you are doing authentication, in that time some of the backup codes are given. So you need to save already. You can use that backup codes, any one of the backup codes to log in your account. Once entering the backup code, click verify. It will automatically log into your account. So this is how to enter or log in your account. So still if you're not having the backup code means go on with next method. So if you're not having the recovery code, if you're not having the backup code means go with this method. Type roblox.com/support. While typing after this page will appear. In this page you need to give the information, give your username and your email address, give your and give the device which have issues and click type of categories. You need to click cannot login and subcategory lost access to two-step verification method. Once you giving after, you need to provide a issue description. You need to enter the description what issues you are facing, enter it and continue it. Once you submit your request, wait for Roblox support to verify your ownership and provide recovery instruction. It's nothing but it's asking some account creation date, linked phone numbers, and some information. It will ask some information to recover. Thank you.